Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. Here's morning, so good morning. Um, Saturday morning, 8:50 a.m. All right, so I'm making this a small video to recap the whole week of activity trades for the whole week, and the week started from 1st February and ended yesterday, 5th February 5th. 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 days. So I have run a trade, everywhere, but I made this folder. But I'm just going to show what happened to these days. In the beginning of the week, I sent out. I did my analysis on the pound index chart and sent the chart to my subscriber and explained it on the webinar as well. And the pound is going to get strong. So once, if you know that one single currency is getting strong for some reason, all the pair involved in that currency will react to that strength or weakness. So pound getting strong means pound USD, pound Aussie, pound yen, pound this, pound that, all will go up. So what I had done is that pound USD long with this pound, and then here we had also USD weakness later, but yeah, it was getting ready to get weak. But pound strength, pound USD went up on February 1st. Pound yen went up on February 1st, and it was it went up uh, quite a bit from this area here. Pound Aussie also went up on February 1st. Again, all of that was because pound strength. Okay. Now, things changes, and at the same time, what happened is that Aussie gets weaker. Aussie was getting weaker, so you see this here on the second day, the February 2nd, Aussie yen short setup, and this is a setup, by the way. The price comes between these lines, these EMAs, SMAs, whatever, and then it retraces back into it between these two lines. Yellow, you see, like here, this is a perfect by the book entry here. If the indicator is all the way down and then turning to the upside, and you went inside of this two lines, yellow and black, and then coming out again with the setup. Okay, reversal candle, black candle, and red candle, and that's it. So this is what I have done here. You can see here. This wasn't entered because this hasn't all the way inside this MA, right? But this was a confirmation. This is inside this indicator here. This has touched it. This is the indicator setup. And also the 40-minute for the guide. 40-minute also have a bearish, and then you start taking entries from 15 minutes. So this is Aussie yen. This is Euro Aussie, because Aussie was getting weaker here. In your Aussie yen, Aussie was on left hand side, the pair went down. Here Euro Aussie was on right hand side, the pair is going to go up. All right, Aussie weakness playing out, and I do analyze those index very keenly, and then I explain and teach that as well. Very important to watch those, because you get pick and choose. You get to pick and choose which trade you want. If Aussie is getting weaker, you want to say, okay, which pair, Aussie, Euro Aussie will go up more, or Aussie yen will go down more. You know, which one? Aussie is, Euro is getting strong against Aussie, or yen is getting more strong against Aussie. So what you do is you go and take a look at the Euro yen pair. What it is doing, if Euro yen is dropping, that means Euro is getting weaker or yen is getting strong. Here you know that Aussie is getting weaker and you need a stronger currency against it. So you go and play short on your Aussie yen, because Aussie is getting strong, Euro is getting weaker. All right. So like I said, if you subscribe, within a few months you will be a master of all this mumbo jumbo. So this is on the second, Euro Aussie went up. Second entry again, drop a little bit and then start. This is an entry. This is an entry by the book, right? But all you gotta do is take one entry and that's it. Enough is enough. You make 100 pip, that's $1,000 a day with one standard lot. This is $110. Sorry, $1,100, right? So what else do you need? So this is okay. This is a 40-minute. This is a setup, and then take entries from 15-minute. Okay. So this is what I'm showing, that you get this guide chart and you set it up, right? And this was a setup here. This was a setup here to go up. So once you have here like that, this indicator is all the way down, you go in 15-minute chart and start taking your entries. This is also was a very good setup. This was a very good setup. And pound Aussie as well. But in the beginning of the week, I made a chart, pound Aussie weekly chart, and it is showing thousands pip, more than 1,000 pip to the upside. So all you gotta do is take long, 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 long. Pound yen again, pound is strength, gone to the upside. Euro Aussie on the 4th, bouncing from this area. This is a 40-minute level. Bounce one time, this bouncing from the second time, and again Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie is supposed to go up. I'm going to show you the analysis chart in a minute. So this is what happened on the 4th. Again, this is a Euro USD on the 4th. Euro is getting also strong. And here on the 5th, Euro Aussie again going up. This was my entries here. Then you have another entry here. You have another entry here. But my couple of entries are here, starting from here, gone with the wind. And also pound Aussie, like I said, we're supposed to go up all week long. And look at this one, just today. I mean, not today, Friday. After NFP, gone up from here, entry, entry, entry. I didn't take any of these. My entries were here. But you can, just simply watch and, watch them go and give you all the entries on a 15-minute chart. And let me show you Euro Aussie analysis chart, that how I go by with that. So I'm just going to show one chart, Euro Aussie, not all of them. Look, this is my analysis, 1, 2, 3. So we need to come up here. So every time it dip, let it go. Every time it's starting to go up, get in from our those charts, 40 minutes and 15-minute charts, right? So this one, what happened to this is this, see, this is 16 June. Just keep going up, and I had so many orders here, buy orders, and they're going up. But then it started retracing, and I was waiting, and then what happened? Look here. Okay, this is 7th January. Then it was starting to bounce from here when I had it, right? And this is a current chart today. This is what happened. Yeah, I mean Friday. So how hard it is to know that it's bouncing from the tier and then start taking. And my 40-minute setup was here, right? This is my before chart for Aussie 40-minute setup on the 3rd. And what happened to this? Gone with the wind. 300 pips. And out of that, I took my here on the 5th, all of that, and on the 4th, all of that. So it's that easy. Right? So if you become a subscriber, you get to learn everything in my webinar, and you have all the webinars recording uploaded on my website. There are probably like 200, 300 recording there, where you can learn a lot, tons of information there. And you have email support and everything, and you get these charts, and you get my IB system. I give you the indicator, the templates. If you cannot set up, if you have a problem, one of my guy will get into your computer through TeamViewer, and he will install everything and make the charts look like mine, perfectly fine, and will explain you how to do it. And TeamViewer, somebody lets you come into their computer and do, or whatever. So if you have any problem, if you're new, don't worry. We will set up everything on your computer, and that all you gotta do is when I send you an email about the webinar, just like I did tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Today at 4 o'clock, I have a webinar set, and I'll be giving out new charts, my analysis, and setting up everybody for the next week. Okay, so this is it for now. If you like what you saw, just go on my website and subscribe and start trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great and wonderful weekend.